Well, good morning, everybody. It is a little after 11, and I am over at QVC getting ready for the big Living for Giving show this evening. It is going to be 2 hours from 6 to 8 p.m. Jane and David are the hosts. I'm going to be the social host. So I'll be chatting with you on David's Facebook page as myself. Hey, Terry, which is really cool and super exciting. And part of the reason why, you may be like, why? I am actually a board member on the Housewares Charity Foundation. The Housewares Charity Foundation works with 25 to 30 different charities, and they're always doing things for the community, locally, and they are an amazing, amazing organization. And through the Housewares Charity Foundation, we're working with QVC and Living for Giving. So there's going to be a big thing tonight. Hello. There's going to be a big show tonight. And Living for Giving is supporting Feeding America. So I don't know if you guys know this, but for every $1 that you donate to Feeding America, it provides 10 meals. So this is such an incredible organization. I'm honored truly to be a part of it. I'm honored to sit on the board of the Housewares Charity Foundation and beyond honored to have been asked by QVC to help support it. We have an item that we're going to have on during the show, which is the main reason I'm hopping on. First of all, let me say good morning to everybody. Hi, gang. Good morning. Good morning. Catherine's here. Lynn's here. Les is here. Megan. Good morning. Cheryl's here. Good morning from Middle California. Cheryl, where you been? I've missed it. I've missed you. Billy's here. Good morning. What a great cause. It's actually an incredible cause. Dolores is checking in from Michigan. Christine is here. Love, love, love. Feeding America is wonderful. Yes, it is. This is a great way to help others. You know, Valerie, it's really interesting. And part of what I love about being affiliated with something like the Housewares Charity Foundation and even Feeding, America, you can really literally see where your money is going and who it's impacting, who it's helping. And I did a little video that we posted up here just basically about food insecurity and literally how it is in every single county, city, state, all across our country. And so if you think it doesn't affect your area, it does. It really does affect your area. And so the fact that Feeding America works with all of the local food banks, my mother has always run a food bank, no matter where she's working or living, I should say. And so I've kind of always grown up, feeling very connected to organizations like this. So we are going to be sharing a brand new item. I just found out it's already live over on QVC.com. So I want to give you the item number so you guys can shop it, because I don't want you to, we didn't bring in a ton of it. It's something that's special. It's up to 70% or a minimum of 70% gets donated to Feeding America. So the item numbers are S as in Sam, so a little different than our usual like K or H. S as in Sam 14251. I did it in Believe. S14250, I did it in Woodland. S14249 is Floral Lace. And S is in Sam 14248 is Old World. Oh, I already got, you guys are so good. Arla already got 2 of them. So Arla, just know by picking those up, you are already doing your part to support Feeding America and this Living for Giving, which is amazing. There's also a way for you, of course, to make a monetary donation if you want to. We've provided all the links. They all track back to Temptations and kind of our community and how much excitement, because we're the cool kids, okay? I don't know if you knew that, but we're the cool kids. So there's links that you can shop through. It brings you right over to QVC's landing page. You can give $1. I think you can give up to $25. Like I said, for every $1, 10 meals are provided across the United States. It's pretty amazing. And like I said, I am honored to be a part of it. So I brought 2 wardrobe changes because I wasn't sure what everybody was going to wear. But from 6 to 8, we'll be sharing great products, great stories. The CEO from Feeding America is going to be, I think, Skyping in, which is really exciting. And I'll be chatting with you. I'll be impersonating David Venable on his Facebook page. So hopefully you guys will come over and join the fun. And it'll just be a really beautiful celebration of how we can help one another when we really do put our minds to it. So I'll check back in. I really just wanted to give you guys the item number so you could shop your colors and your patterns. I love that already so many of you have already picked. I'm actually getting very teary-eyed, so sorry. I'm gonna hold it together. but just how so many of you always show up for me, for Temptations, for this amazing community. And like I said, I'm just a conduit in this point. I just want to help as much as I can and be a part of all these amazing things that are going on. Thank you, Tara, for being so. Oh, Janet, you're amazing. Jody's here, Amanda's here. Everybody's checking in. Everybody's super excited. So yeah, if you haven't seen it yet, you can head over to Instagram. You can check out our Facebook page. There's a video of why I feel so passionate about it, why I'm connected to it, why I'm one of the largest donors to it here at QVC. So we'll talk about that tonight as well. Jane hinted at it a little bit during our 2-hour show on the TSV day last Wednesday. If you were kind of like, what is she talking about? She's like, Tara's an extremely generous person. We'll talk more about that as we get closer. It's that I'm a part of this show this evening, a sponsor, obviously, and doing all good things as much as I can do. All right, you guys got mine. You guys are the best. You got the Love Your Jacket. It's actually a shirt. I got it last year. Sorry. Very emotional. I got it last year at Anthropologie, and then this year they have like a navy blue one. Got that one too, because that feels like holiday-esque without being like in your face holiday. All right, you guys, I'll keep you posted throughout the day. I have some buyers meetings here. We were talking about the October Cook event and what we might be putting together for the shows there, which is so exciting. And then tonight at 6 p.m. we will kick off this Living for Giving collab with QVC, and I'll be sharing a closer look at that bowl, the pedestal bowl. So it's really stunning. We've never done anything like it. Elevated, yet still all that great stoneware that you love. Thank you for all my hearts. Thank you for your big hearts and how much you just love this community and how much I just love this community. So, and for me to be vulnerable and share the things and the beliefs that I have and know that I'm safe here is always something I never, ever, ever take for granted. So we will see you guys tonight at 6 o'clock, but we're going to be doing a live stream, I think from 5 to 6 p.m. And I think we're going to stream, actually, I know we are. We're streaming it on this page as well. So the broadcast will be streamed on our Facebook page. The live stream from 5 to 6 will be streamed? Is that a word? We will stream it on our Facebook page as well. So the next time I will see you officially is 5 o'clock, but I'll hop on, hopefully, and give you guys a heads up of more stuff that's going on. But it's going to be a really beautiful show. And you know, when David and Jane handle all good things happen. So that's good. Can't wait to see the products. And you can check out the products also by clicking on the link that is provided in our social. And that'll take you to actually all the products that are going to be in the show, or if not all of them, most of them. And it'll also talk to you a little bit about what's happening, why we're doing it. And it'll also talk about the donation that you can give, even financially. Like, you can donate $1, and that makes a big difference and provides 10 meals across the U.S. All right, you guys, I will see you in a little while. Okay, bye.